guys aren't getting the gravity of this situation.
Well, technically it's a form of anti-gravity.
You're missing the point. Today is not just some ordinary day.
Here comes a sermon.
Today is the day skateboarding as we know it became this thing. And what I mean is, this hoverboard will change everything, and the four of us, we're gonna become like, I can see it, but it's,
What's going on? Oh, now I get it. Auga! Auga!
shh.
Dog! Dog!
Gonna be dog food.
Not done.
Jake, we got a jet.
Trying to concentrate.
That dog looks kind of rabid.
Art cannot be rushed.
It's your funeral, Picasso.
So, what do you think?
Cool, man, cool. But you got a drip.
Oh, dude, good eye.
Flash, you want to be eaten alive?
Gotta go.
It's colorful, but not in my yard.
Another turbine recovery. Confiscate.
Just observe. For now.
That turbine we found? It's some kind of anti-gravity technology.
She wants us to meet her at the yard. Says it's this world.
He went down there.